Hey guys, this is Alisha and this is my periods pamper routine, the most honest and realistic one. Please don't mind if I make off faces throughout the video. That's called mood swings. In the morning, after breakfast and after taking shower, I start my day with champi. Yes, I do that every month because my cramp follows severe headache. In fact, entire body ache. And head massage with some good oil helps a lot to amp up my mood as well. By the way, I'm using Bajaj Almond drop hair oil. After that, I do some light skincare. I don't do much polishing and all during my periods because it's prone to break out during those days. So, just moisturizing my face and lip, and I actually enjoy the process of applying moisturizer. It kind of makes me feel good. And the next thing that I do is to prepare some energy drink for myself. I really need that during these days. And while having it, I scroll through Instagram or any of my social media handles. एंड उसके बाद घर में थोड़ा ऐसे ही घूमने फिरने के बाद आई डू सम योगा टू रिलीव स्टमक एंड बैक क्रैम्प्स. प्लीज़ यू गाइज डू दिस एज मच एट लीस्ट. अर्लियर आई यूज टू थिंक कि हाँ ठीक है इतना इग्नोर कर देते हैं, बट योगा एक्चुअली रिलैक्सेस योर बॉडी एंड योर सोल एंड वर्क्स रियली वेल विथ स्मूदर ब्लड फ्लो एंड मूड स्विंग्स में भी बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करता है. एंड ट्रूली ड्यूरिंग पीरियड आई लाइक टू बी अलोन एंड स्पेंड मोर ऑफ मी टाइम, एंड योगा हेल्प्स मी टू नॉट ओवर थिंक. Also, to pamper myself, I make a bowl of fried masala veggies, and along with that, I have this huge thermo flask, which is also my target. During period, I kind of finish 2 to 3 of them in a day. Drinking a lot of water also avoids skin breaking and does helps in lowering down the stomach cramps. And by the time I finish all of it, I really need something to read, and I read some of my favorite pages of my feel good books, and it is one of the favorite part of my day. And I usually read The Secret. And I also keep some chocolates and chips next to my bed so that I can munch on the entire day. I also take a cozy power nap in evening after my lunch so that I can deviate my mind from the bad days. After waking up, I do some chill and simple things like washing my makeup brushes or just randomly arranging something like my entangled earrings. Yes, I do this mess due to shooting and all, but anyways, once in a month I got to arrange them as well. After that, I binge on some good movies or series or just some ear pleasing and soothing songs, or else I simply edit my videos in that time, as it is a different sort of a joy altogether. But to be very honest, I was listening to songs from the movie Ludo, my favorite these days, all of them literally. After spending some good quality time, I clear out the raita that I've spilled all over my bed. In between all of it, I take out some time to have my favorite thing, that is chai, and I add some elaichis, adrak, and it tastes really, really good. Also, I have my face on my mug, and so narcissist of me. And then at night before sleeping, I take some lukewarm water in a balti and पाँव डाल के बैठती हूँ. I really feel so good and relaxed. Please करके देखो, बहुत अच्छा लगता है normally भी, but during periods so it feels a bit more soothing. And after then I wipe it, apply some moisturizer, put on my socks and just sleep. And that was it for my pamper routine. Bye bye.